the yellow line. UP West train number 63 to Elburn is now arriving. Please step behind the yellow line.
Back over here.
Let's go! Let's go! Bro, this is so fun. Slowly pulling into the station. I love these trains. Let's go! Oh, it's a CSX and a UP. Going to switch the tracks?
He got off.
What is he doing? Going to
Can't see him.
What is he trying
to make it go faster? See, he's going faster.
I think, no, he got up the train. I think he's trying to switch the tracks or something.
Yeah, I think he had to do something.
What happens if you don't switch the tracks in time? Granddaddy, what happened? You know how that's a thing where you get like some lights on what do you do? Stay here.
He's still over there.
He's still down there?
Yeah, he's over there.
Zoe, he can't blow the whistle now. He's farther away.
Yeah, he's not getting back on yet. I don't know where he would get on there.
How you know?
How would he get on the train when the train's still
He
moving?
had to get on the end.
Oh, he's gonna get on the end of the train?
I don't know.
How you know he's gonna get
Yeah,
on
he's over there. See him? Right there.
Oh, wait, I see him.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
I think he's like looking at the cars.
Yeah. He might not get back on.
Why?
He might be done.
He might be done working.
Yeah. He might get picked up by some of his cars.
How's he gonna,
He can't get back on. It's too dangerous.
Yeah, he can't get back on you.
Because like the train's still moving. If he gets on the train while the train's moving, he's gonna fall or hurt himself.
Actually, no, if he was on the front of the train and it was moving, you'll be able to get on. But you have to go really because else
Yeah, he can't get back on.
Have you seen those people? You can get back on, but you have to be like a professional.
It's only on TV.
I saw it in real life before something like that.
You ain't saw it in real life. This is real life right here.
Yeah, and this is real life recording.
I saw it before.
Not like this.
I'm recording the real life trains.
No, my God.
I'm actually happy I get to record trains.
This is too long. I want to go back to school.
Is Zoe, they're freight trains. Of course they're long. It's a great video for me. I want to sit here and wait for more trains.
No, we're not gonna stay out there that long. Get back.
Oh, but I wanted to record more.
Got a lot of information right now.
Can we come back?
Yeah, some other day.
Because I really want to come back here and make some more.
Not today. Maybe some other day.
Oh my God, one of the train cars was open. The doors are open to them.
Yeah. I don't think they should be.
Probably the wind.
They should be closed.
I think the wind's opening them. How do the train cars get graffiti?
You got people do it at night.
This
Different
must have took an
neighborhoods.
hour to graffiti.
Why do they graffiti train cars?
It's a
Probably
message
like 3
that they like to put
hours,
out.
4 hours.
That they like to what?
Just a message that they like to put out as far as artwork from their communities and stuff that they live in.
Dang! How long is this? This video been on for 10 minutes. This train real long. I've been recording this for 10 minutes and 27 seconds.
Hi guys.
What are you doing now? can't wait to drive one of these. I'm excited to drive one of these. Looks like it's slowing down. Well, kind of. To me, they kind of look like they're slowing down. Whoa. How long is this, man? What? I'm up to my sleeve. Trying to be too tired. Trying to pump it right now. Masa Hanabi. Alright, this is the end. Now, what was that thing? That was not. What kind of insect was that? That does not look like an insect. That thing looks like a spider. But if that was a spider, what type of spider was there? Stopping? Is it stopping? Yep, stopped. Dude, this. Okay, bye.
This measurette thing. Me and my friends kept doing a measurette, and like, and she was like,